Well, a long time ago, I bought a lens cleaning kit. I didn't read the instructions properly. I didn't clean the sensor properly. I just rushed through, cockily thinking I knew what I was doing because I used to be like that, which thinking back is quite shocking to me. No, my cleaning process was, I don't know, clumsy, lackluster, and completely unsuitable for the image sensor. And it didn't end well. There were smears on the sensor that weren't there before I started cleaning. My use of the sensor swab, it made the sensor more dirty. There were smears on it. How can I do that? And the dust spots and the other stuff on the sensor, they'd merely been moved somewhere else on the sensor and probably made worse by having the liquid introduced. So I did a really bad job. And I had to pay somebody a decent amount of money to fix this, which they did. So I've learned my lesson. And I also spent a small fortune on cleaning stuff and other stuff that I didn't know how to use. Things like compressed air, spinning brushes, swabs, liquids, all sorts of stuff. So I am scarred by this experience. So please don't do what I did. If you're going to do this, as in clean your camera sensor, be sure about what you're doing and follow the supplier's instructions. They will tell you the best practice for the products you have bought. And this is another reason why I'm not telling you how to clean a camera sensor. If you're going to do this, make sure that you're happy doing it, you're confident, you know what you're doing. Don't do this on a whim like I did, because you could end up having to replace your sensor, which I wasn't far off.